Hello students, welcome you all. So today we are going to discuss the first exercise from your chapter Fraction and Decimal. So in this exercise I will be doing some of the questions and rest you can solve by yourself by understanding how to solve. Okay. So first question is solve, and first part of this first question is 2 minus 3 upon 5. So we have to solve this. So let's do it. As you can see that this is a whole number 2, so we can write 2 as 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. Okay, now what you have to do, just check whether these two fractions are like fraction or not. These are not like fractions because the denominators are not same. So what will we do? We will make denominator same. So for that, the LCM of 1 and 5 is 1 and 5 is 5. So to make the denominator of 2 upon 1 5, we have to multiply 5 on numerator and denominator both. So 2 into 5 upon 1 into 5, and in this we can multiply it by 1, 5 into 1. Okay, now 2 into 5 is 10 upon 5 minus 3 upon 3 into 1 is 3 upon 5. Okay, so now we can subtract it. So this is 10 minus 3 upon 5, which is equals to 7 upon 5. So this is our answer. Now third part is 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. So we can see that these two are not like fraction. So what will we do? We will make them like fraction, and to make these fraction like fraction, we have to make the denominator same. So the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Okay. So what will we do? We will make this denominator 35 by multiplying 3 upon 5 को multiply करेंगे 7 से, and 2 upon 7 को multiply करेंगे 5 से. Okay. So 3 7s are 21 upon 35 plus 2 5s are 10 upon 35, and this is 21 plus 10 upon 35, and this will give us 31 upon 35. Okay, so this is our answer. Now let's come to the seventh part of this question first. So we have 8 1 upon 2 minus 3 5 upon 8. To solve this question, we first have to convert these mixed fraction in improper fraction. Okay, so let's make in improper. 2 into 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17 upon 2 minus 8 into 3 is 24 plus 5, that is 29 upon 8. Improper fraction में हमने इनको convert कर दिया है. Now they are not like fraction, so let's take LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Okay, so 17 upon 2 में 2 को 8 बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? 4 से मल्टीप्लाई 17 upon 2 into 4 into 4 minus 29 into 1 upon 8 into 1. Okay, you can multiply it by 1 or not because it is not making any change. So 17 into 4 is 68 upon 8 minus 29 upon 8. Now we can solve it. 68 minus 29 upon 8. So this will give us 39 upon 8. Now the fraction we have 39 upon 8, but since we have quotient in mixed fraction, so we should convert it into a mixed fraction. So मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम इनको 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे, तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 4 7 upon 8. Okay, so this is our answer. Second question we have, arrange the following in descending order. So हमारे पास 3 फ्रैक्शन दिए हैं, हमें इनको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. So उसके लिए हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? हम इनका डिनोमिनेटर चेक करेंगे कि वो सेम है या नहीं है. दे आर इन लाइक फ्रैक्शन और नॉट. So these 3 fractions are not like fraction. So let's take LCM. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is 63. Now to make denominator 63, we have to multiply it by 7. So it is 14 upon 63. Okay, so first fraction we have 14 upon 63. Now second fraction 2 upon 3. To make 363, we have to multiply it by 21. So 21 3 is 63. So 21 into 2 is 42 and 21 into 3 is 63. Okay, now last fraction, that is 8 upon 21. So convert 8 upon 21 by multiplying it with 3, because 21 into 3 is 63. Okay, so 8 into 3 is 24 upon 63. Okay, now we can compare these three fractions and arrange them into descending order. So for that, we have denominator same this time. Now we can check upon these numerators. So the greater will be that fraction. Okay, so 14, 42 and 24. So इन तीनों में से जो greater numerator है वो 42 है. That means this fraction 2 upon 3 will be greater fraction. So 42 upon 63. Second larger number is 24, that is 24 upon 63. Now last we have 14 upon 63. Okay, so this is our descending arrangement of these fractions. Now you can write the original form of these fractions as well, that is 42 upon 63 was 2 upon 3, which is greater than 8 upon 21, and this fraction is greater than 2 upon 9. So this is our arrangement of the given fraction in descending order. Okay, so the second part of this question, you have to do it by the same method. Now let's come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 upon 2 centimeter long and 10 2 upon 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So perimeter, you know that sum of the length of all the sides is known as perimeter. Okay, so what will we do here? We will convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction and then add them up. Okay, so first of all, length is equals to 12 1 upon 2. So we can write this fraction as 2 12s are 24 plus 1, that is 25 upon 2 centimeter. Okay, so now breadth is 10 2 upon 3. So convert it into a improper fraction, that is 3 into 10 is 30 plus 2 is 32 upon 3 centimeter. Now as we know, the perimeter we have, perimeter is equals to sum of the lengths of all sides. So in rectangular, if this is 12 1 upon 2, so this will be same, and if this is 10 2 upon 3, so this will be 10 2 upon 3. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, or you can write the perimeter of rectangle by formula. So you have 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into L we have is 25 upon 2 plus B is 32 upon 3. Now to solve this bracket, we must know that these should be in like fraction. Okay, so first solve these two in rough. So 25 upon 2 plus 32 upon 3. So 2 और 3 का LCM कितना होता है? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 को 6 बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? 25 upon 2 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे प्लस 32 अपॉन 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा 75 अपॉन 6 प्लस 64 अपॉन 6. सो वी कैन राइट हियर दैट 75 upon 6 plus 64 upon 6. Okay, नाउ 2 इंटू इन दोनों का प्लस हमारे पास आ जाएगा 139/6 एंड दिस विल गिव द आंसर। 2 से हम 6 को 3 टाइम्स कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हैं, सो आंसर इज 139/3 सेंटीमीटर। So this is our answer. Now let's come to the question number 5. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE, that is this ABE, and second the rectangle BCDE in the figure. और सेकेंड हमें किसका फाइंड आउट करना है, BCDE। तो फर्स्ट हमें इस ट्राइंगल का पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है, उसके बाद रेक्टेंगल का पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है, ओके, एंड फिर हमें बताना है हुज पेरीमीटर इज ग्रेटर, किसका पेरीमीटर ग्रेटर है। सो फॉर दैट लेट्स टेक इन ट्राइंगल ABE, AB is equals to, we are considering all the lengths, so AB is equals to 5/2 centimeter. BE, we have given BE is 3/4 centimeter, and we can write it in improper fraction, that is 4 into 2 8 plus 3, that is 11/4 centimeter. Okay, now last we have 3. AE is 3/5 centimeter, so this will give us 5 into 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18/5 centimeter. So now these are the sides. Now we can find the perimeter by adding these three. So perimeter of triangle ABE is sum of all sides. Okay, now sum. So first side is 5/2 centimeter plus second side is 11/4 centimeter plus third side is 18/5 centimeter. Now these fractions are not like fractions, so convert them. So LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is, इन तीनों का LCM लेंगे, so ये LCM हो जाएगा 20. Okay, now to make 5/2 20, we can multiply it by 10. डिनोमिनेटर को 20 बनाने के लिए हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन 11/4, इसमें 4 को 20 बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में 5 का मल्टीप्लाई, देन प्लस एंड 18/5। सो 5 को यहाँ पर 20 बनाने के लिए हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। नाउ 5 10 50/20 प्लस 55/20 plus 18 4s 72/20. Okay, now we can easily add them up, that is 50 plus 55 plus 72/20. So this will give us 177/20 centimeter. This is our answer. Okay, now second we need to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. So one thing you can see that this side is 7/6. Okay, that means this side will be 7/6, and B is here 2 3/4. That means this side also 2 3/4. That means L we have 2 3/4 and B we have 7/6. Okay, so in the rectangle BCDE, BE is equals to, or we can say that length is equals to 2 3/4, okay, centimeter, or we can convert it into improper fraction, that is 4 2 8 plus 3, that is 11/4 centimeter, and the width, that is ED, we can write it 7/6, okay, centimeter. Now as we know, the perimeter of rectangle is, either we can take sum of all the side, or we know that the perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so put the value 2 into L is 11/4 plus B is 7/6. So to solve the bracket, we must see that fractions are like fraction. So these are not like fractions. So LCM of 4 and 6 is, I'm doing it in rough. So LCM of 4 and 6. So 4 और 6 का LCM हमारे पास आ जाएगा 12. Okay. Now to make 11 upon 4, the denominator 12, we can multiply it by 11 into 3 and 4 into 3. Okay. 7 upon 6. So 6 को 12 बनाने के लिए हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Now 2 into 33 upon 12 plus 14 upon 12. And this will give us 33 plus 14. 2 into 47 upon 12. We can cancel out 12 by 2 in 6 time. So answer we have 47 upon 6 centimeter. Okay. So this is our answer. So student, sixth question we have. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3.5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3/10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay. So Salil है वो एक पिक्चर को फ्रेम में रखना चाहता है एंड पिक्चर जो है वो 7 3 सेंटीमीटर उसकी चौड़ाई है. ओके. और जो फ्रेम है उसमें 7 3/10 सेंटीमीटर से ज़्यादा की फ़ोटो नहीं आ सकती है. सो हमें बताना है कि पिक्चर को कितना ट्रिम करना पड़ेगा कि वो फ्रेम के अंदर आ जाए. सो आई एम गिविंग यू एन ओवरव्यू एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली एज वी डू. सो व्हाट you do, the width of the picture is 7 3/5 centimeter. So convert it into improper fraction, that is 38/5 centimeter. Now the width of the frame is 7 3/10 centimeter. Okay. And what you have to do is change it into a improper fraction, that is 73/10. Now picture is wider than this frame, so we have to minus width of the frame from the picture. Okay. So 38/5 minus 73/10. So आपको इसको कन्वर्ट करना है लाइक फ्रैक्शन में और यहाँ से आपको आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Now question 7 is, Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share and by how much? So Ritu कोई एक एप्पल है जिसको रितु ने 3/5 पार्ट इसका खाया. ओके. उसके बाद जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है, सपोज उसने इतना पार्ट खाया तो जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट खाया है उसके भाई ने, ब्रदर सोमू ने. ओके. दैट इज इफ दिस इज टोटल पार्ट, सो टोटल का 3/5 खाया है रितु ने. दैट मीन्स ब्रदर कितना खाएगा, जितना बचेगा, दैट इज 1 minus 3/5. ओके. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मच पार्ट द एप्पल डिड सोमू एट. तो सोमू का पार्ट फाइंड आउट करना है. देन हु हैड लार्जर शेयर, तो किसने ज़्यादा बड़ा शेयर खाया है और कितना बड़ा. सो फॉर दैट Ritu ate 3/5 and Somu ate 1 minus 3/5. Okay, that means 1 minus 3/5 means हम इसको 1/1 minus 3/5 लिख सकते हैं. That means इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे by making these two fraction like fraction. तो ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा 2/5 पार्ट. तो सोमू ने कितना खाया, 2/5 पार्ट. नाउ who had larger share? So 3/5 is greater than 2/5. Okay, because both are like fraction, so we can compare the numerator. So this part is greater, that means Ritu ate larger part, that is 3/5. Now by how much, अब हमें ये भी फाइंड आउट करना है कि कितना ज़्यादा खाया है. So what will we do? We will minus 2/5 by 3/5. So it will give us 3 minus 2/5, that is 1/5. Okay. That means Ritu ate 1.5 part larger than Somu. So this is the answer. Question number 8 is, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Okay, so कोई एक पिक्चर है जिसको कलर करने में माइकल को कितना टाइम लगता है? 7/12 ऑफ एन आवर. ओके, एंड वैभव को उसी पिक्चर को कलर करने में कितना टाइम लगता है? 3/4 आवर. ओके, सो हमें बताना है कि किसने लॉन्गर ज़्यादा टाइम तक वर्क किया है एंड बाय व्हाट फ्रैक्शन इट वाज लॉन्गर. ओके, सो एज वी वर डूइंग प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, सो माइकल ने कितना किया है? माइकल फिनिश कलरिंग इन 7/12 आवर एंड वैभव फिनिश कलरिंग इन 3/4 आवर. अब हमें बताना है कि इन दोनों फ्रैक्शन में से कौन सा बड़ा फ्रैक्शन है, तभी तो पता चलेगा कि किसने ज़्यादा देर तक काम किया है. ओके, सो 7/12 आवर एंड 3/4 आवर वी हैव. सो to compare these two fractions we have to make them like fraction. So for that 12 और 4 का हम LCM लेंगे. So LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. ओके, 4 और 12 का LCM लेंगे तो वो हमारे पास 12 आ जाएगा. सो 7/12 को चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑलरेडी इन डिनोमिनेटर 12. सो 3/4 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So this will give us 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12 hours. Okay, now compare 7 hour and 9/12 hour. So इन दोनों में से हमारे पास since 9/12 is greater than 7/12, 9/12 is made from 3/4. That means Vaibhav worked longer. Okay, एंड बताना है कितना लॉन्गर वर्क किया है. सो नाउ 9/12 माइनस 7/12. सो इसका डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा 2/12. दैट मीन्स 1/6, क्योंकि 2 से हम 12 को कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हैं. 1/6 आवर. दैट मीन्स वैभव वर्कड 1/6 आवर more than Michael. Okay, so this is our answer. So students, these were your questions from exercise 2.1. Now you have to note these questions as well as solve the remaining question of this exercise in your notebook, and also do practice for the questions. Now I will see you in next video. Till then, keep practicing. Take care. Thank you.